Let me show you how we can bypass forgotten screen lock on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So if you forgot the password to your phone and now you cannot unlock it, unfortunately, you will have to probably perform factory reset of the device. Now this means that you will lose everything that you have on your phone, unless you have a backup that you can use later on. But most likely, if you don't have it, then of course you will lose everything. So if you decide to perform factory reset, we will need to go to recovery mode. So let's see, we're gonna press power and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then you can use the restart button. Now, if your phone restarts, then you can just press and hold volume down afterwards, and just keep holding until you see the bootloader, which is going to be like an Android logo over here and an option over here and such. But if you cannot really shut down the phone or restart it because you are asked to use the screen lock password, then in this case we need to perform a little workaround, and that is we will have to press and hold the power button until the screen shuts down. This is going to force restart the phone, and once the screen shuts down, you will have to press and hold volume down button to go to the bootloader. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button. Let me also just display the screen. Now I'm gonna also keep tapping on the screen now and then because I don't want the display to put to sleep, because I want to know when the screen shuts down. Usually we have to hold for like 10 seconds before we shut down the phone. There we go, and now press and hold the volume down button immediately. There we go, now we are in the bootloader. Once we are here, we can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and we need to choose the recovery mode option, and press power button in order to confirm. Now the phone is going to restart again, but we will see no command text on the screen. There we go. Now once you see that, you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button you want to press volume up. So press and hold power button and then press volume up. And there we go, now we are in the recovery mode. In here we navigate with volume buttons again. Just like before, we need to select wipe data / factory reset and confirm by pressing the power button. Then over here go to factory data reset and once again confirm by pressing the power button. And if needed, go through all of these additional instructions. Most likely you will go back to this menu over here. If that happens, you want to reboot your phone again, so choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button, and you will have the initial configuration again. Leave a like and subscribe.